my name's Lauren Catili. I'm from Waterloo, Ontario.
Hi, I'm Sam Clark and I'm from Kingston, Ontario. All right. This land and its environment unites us all beyond race, class, religion, and our past. We must move forward together towards the Canada we want. We only have one chance, we need to do it right, and we need to do it now.
The Canada we want has clean drinking water for all. Doesn't have to worry about the future of its resources. Provides youth with a say in their future. Allows young people to be the stewards of their land. The Canada we want achieves its environmental goals.
But do you think we're gonna reach net zero emissions by 2050?
Est-ce que tu penses que nous pouvons éliminer nos émissions de gaz en effet de serre d'ici 2050?
Do you think we're doing enough?
Est-ce que tu penses que les initiatives actuelles sont suffisantes?
Are you scared we're running out of time?
Est-ce que tu as peur qu'il soit trop tard? The Canada we want will create positive environmental change by providing youth with the tools and resources to have widespread and lasting impact. Through the integration of recycling and composting programs within our schools, we can instill the life skills that empower youth to be the environmental change they want to see within their own communities.
The Canada we want will create positive environmental change by creating a forum built on intergenerational partnerships for young people to express their views and concerns on environmental challenges being faced in their communities. With the creation of a youth-based environmental advisory committee, young people can be provided the space to act as a catalyst for creating change.
The Canada we want will create positive environmental change by creating an environmental culture that holds everyone accountable to our contributions to climate change. We need to significantly increase our investment into sustainable alternatives, including renewable energy and eco-friendly materials. We know that Canada can be a leader in this emerging industry, and we can set the example for the world.
The Canada we want leads the charge against climate change.
Le Canada que nous souhaitons mène le combat contre les changements climatiques. Merci. Thank you.